1985 Chevy Monte Carlo. He's getting it all restored. So he started with the exhaust, my kind of guy. Start with the exhaust and go from there. All right, engine, then exhaust. Mid-length headers on it, as you guys can see, there and there. Then downpipes that we just installed. 2 high flow cats, right there, as you guys can see. And then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. Custom to the max. Custom tailpipes, and they're fun to make, man. Those tailpipes are fun. There's not a lot of space. And then we finished it off nicely with 3.5 inch by 18 angle cut tip stainless steel. Come on, nice. So I think he threw all the exhaust away already, or it didn't have any. I'm not sure. I came in later after they started on it. As you guys can see, it's still a work in progress, but the exhaust is brand new and it looks phenomenal. Word of the day. But here it is. I'll walk down for you. Boom. But there it is. Come on, nice. Oh, yeah. That's a nice idle. '85 Chevy Monte Carlo. Here's sound decibels. At idle. At 81. Give it gas. Yeah, that sounds good. I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of that sound? Nothing beats that classic sound, man. All this new technology and fuel injection and all that. Nothing beats this. Don't you guys agree? Let me know in the comments. Look at the smile on his face. He's happy. He's happy, we're happy. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. That's our phone number. Give us a call if you guys have any questions. Nice, clean idle. The more it warms up, the more it sounds better. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Monte Carlo. It's got a snarl to her. Ready for action. Enjoy it, homie. Beast! High flows. True dual all the way back. No X. Enjoy it, guys. Only at Exhaust Addicts, boys.